Okay, so this is my room tour of Darwin Forest Luxury Lodges. That's my son. Room 111. So it's a one bed lodge. In short, before I start, really lovely. We're just leaving now. I'll just zoom out a bit. But it has been so nice. So it's self-catering, so you get your cutlery, a few sharp knives, tin openers, scissors, that kind of thing, and then obviously just utensils. This is a dishwasher we didn't use, we hand washed the dishes. And under here they had tea towel, oven gloves, sponge, washing up liquid, that kind of thing. Oh dear, he's not very happy. Sorry about that. So yeah, glass bowls and stuff here. Then all your kind of mugs, coffee stuff, pots and pans, oven, grill, hob, toaster and some storage, some glasses, a jug, toast rack, some plates, microwave, in the fridge. So there's this decent sized fridge, and there's also, I forgot about them, ice creams, a kind of freezer rack with an ice cream tray, ice cube tray, excuse me. It's TV, it's got kind of your standard Freeview TV on. It's got a Chromecast as well as some like my information and that kind of thing. We did bring a Fire Stick, plugged it in over here without any issues. There's a plug as well there on the unsecured Wi-Fi, so I just used a VPN. Really nice, comfortable L-shaped sofa. This fan we got from reception. It was 20 quid, non-refundable deposit. Got like DVD player there, Blu-ray, that kind of thing. Some more plugs. These for charger, and they've got the information. We used the shop. That was really, really good quality things. Went for the restaurant last night, which was absolutely incredible. Really was delicious. So this is the bedroom. Nice big bed. We had to hire this cot. This is just a small Freeview TV. It was handy. Lots of storage drawers, good size. Then you got an alarm clock down there with a smaller storage, a lamp, and then the same this side. Obviously you got your nice full length mirror there. In here, wardrobe, iron, hoover, clothes rack, plugs, hair dryer, good storage, ironing board, and then hangers. They're kind of double-sided hangers, so you get like 5, and then they had a spare quilt as well. Going into the bathroom, got heated towel rails, shower. Normally you've got the normal kind of handheld shower and then a rainfall shower. Be careful with that. I turned it too far by accident and have a nice bit of a cold shock there. That's the sauna we didn't use ourselves, but looks really nice. They did give limited toiletries. We also had our own anyway. Heated mirror, toilet. You have to forgive the towels here, but this spa bath is really nice. And like I said, the heated towel rail. In terms of kind of outdoors, you've got these doors here that lead out. This is kind of the local surroundings, I guess. Good sized balcony. In here is a heater. This table extends out. We hired the I think that was like 9 quid for the high chair. Just a little fire there. So the only couple of small issues, that clock stopped. They would have fixed it if we'd asked, I just didn't care. No aircon in here, obviously the lodges, but I can imagine if it's 30-degree day, then you get your own parking. Excuse me, my beautiful wife there. Oh, sorry, mate. And then, yeah, so this was the balcony that we sat on and just kind of chilled out. So Darwin Forest Luxury Lodges are really, really lovely. Bins just over there as well. Really nice. Not my kind of usual holiday, if I'm honest, but I couldn't recommend it enough.